Alam mo na ba? Nabalitaan mo ba? Tama ka. Meron nang lumabas na regional memo na magkakaroon ulit ng qualifying examination for school heads. At mangyayari yan sa buwan ng Mayo. Qualified ka ba? Pakinggan mong mabuti ang mga qualification para makasali ka sa national exam. Una, kailangang 1 year as head teacher ka, or 2 years as teacher in charge ka, or 2 years as master teacher ka, or teaching experience for 5 years as follows. First, teacher 3 or other teacher positions with same grade, or incumbent public school teacher who has managerial and supervisory experience in a DepEd recognized private institution or CHED, recognized educational institution, or aggregate experience as head teacher, teacher in charge, or master teacher and teacher 3. So, kailangan ay magsasubmit ka ng letter of intent na ka-address sa ating